In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import WordPress posts with WP All Import and JetEngine. To get started, you'll first want to ensure that you've installed and activated the necessary plugins on your WordPress site. These plugins are crucial for the process we're about to explore, so make sure they're up and running before diving in. Once you've set up your plugins, open your WordPress dashboard and look for WP All Import, whether you're using the free or the pro version. This tool will be our main utility for importing posts seamlessly. Next, navigate over to JetEngine. It's essential to have this plugin ready, as it will allow us to handle custom post types effectively during the import process. Now, you'll need to prepare your CSV or XML file with the post you intend to import. Make sure the file is formatted correctly, as this will smooth out the rest of the process and prevent any potential hiccups later on. After that, go to All Import, select New Import, and proceed to upload the file you've just prepared. Your uploaded file is essential here, as it feeds into the subsequent mapping and configuration stages. When you're at the next step, focus on selecting New Items and then choose Posts. If you're using JetEngine and have custom post types, be sure to specify that accordingly. We'll now get into mapping your CSV or XML fields to WordPress fields. This is where things start to come together. Click on the post title and map it to the title field. It's imperative that your mapping is accurate, since it ensures the imported data will display correctly on your site. Following the same path, navigate to Content and map it to the WordPress content field. This ensures that all your post content imports correctly. Next, select the featured image field and map it to image. Properly assigning this field is crucial for keeping your site visually consistent with featured images in the designated spots. If you've got custom fields within your file, click on Custom Fields and map these to JetEngine meta fields. This step is particularly vital for those utilizing JetEngine for custom post types and added metadata. Then configure your import settings. One key element here is setting a unique identifier. This identifier helps prevent duplicate posts, maintaining the integrity and uniqueness of your site's content. For those who plan on updating existing posts, make sure to enable auto update. This setting will keep your post data current without needing to re-upload manually every time there's a change. After configuring these settings, click on Confirm and Run Import. This command initiates the import process. You'll want to pay attention to any feedback the platform may provide at this stage. Lastly, wait for the import to complete and meticulously verify that all posts appear as intended on your site. This final check will ensure everything has imported accurately and your WordPress site is looking its best with the newly imported posts. By following these detailed steps, you'll have successfully utilized WP All Import and JetEngine to enhance your WordPress site efficiently.